What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today is finally the day we will be putting on the Jays Racing diffuser today. Super excited. It is a little hot here in Arizona, so I'm trying to get a jump start before the sun gets up 100 degrees and me melting. So right now I'm going to jack up the car, put it on jack stands, and then we're going to go ahead and take the bumper off, and then we're going to go ahead and start this install. Oh, and I also got a tripod, so this is awesome. I got both hands, and yeah, let's go ahead and start. Alright guys, so one of the main issues when installing this diffuser, you will have to move your exhaust. The exhaust placement of the Civic Si is a little bit more center than the Fd2 Type R. So you're going to have to make some adjustments. What I did was I had an OEM diffuser that was on here previous, and I lined it up pretty much to that diffuser, and it will translate over to the Fd2 diffuser. Another thing, if you plan on running this plastic diffuser here, you will have to trim this part here, and I'll show you guys once we start. And then you're gonna have to bend these tabs, but you guys can always ask me questions in the comments. So let's go ahead and start this. Diffuser, you have the 3 tabs, 1, 2, and 3. These will slide in to the top of where the bumper is, and then clips will go underneath. Also, shout out to my painter Drew. He left the Jays Racing exposed. Hey, that might be a fake. Let's see the Jays Racing. Well, here it is. It's not fitting on, and the reason why is because these clips right here. Take out these clips. So what I did was I took the bumper off completely, went ahead and mounted the diffuser on, and I just secured it right now with just 2 of the 3 clips, so that way I can get an idea. But for right now, we're gonna go ahead and put the bumper back on. I did trim a piece off of this plastic diffuser, so this piece right here, I'm just kind of cutting as I go. I don't want to cut too much off because that would be bad. I just want to cut off what needs to be cut. Let's go ahead and mount this diffuser, and we're just going to basically do trial and error, see what fits, and hopefully everything should fit. Okay. Alright guys, so change of plans on the bottom piece of the diffuser. The brackets were not allowing me to mount the bumper on correctly, so I had to bend them back and just secure them with zip ties. I didn't really know what else to do because the diffuser was hitting on these brackets, causing the diffuser to push down and creating a gap. This is pretty solid. I'm pretty happy with it. And I'm glad I don't have to trim any of the diffuser because I'm probably just gonna get the exhaust fixed. But let's go ahead and get this mounted up so we can start drilling the holes. So this hole is pretty deep inside, pause. So what I'm gonna do is use a magnet tool, see how this works. That's a fail. Alright guys, so after a couple hours, the diffuser is now on. I will say it's not perfect. There does need to be some adjustments, like with the tow hook. It's kind of hitting up against it, so it's kind of pushing back. But aside from that, everything looks pretty good. You know, nothing's perfect, but I'm super excited and super happy with how it looks. It looks amazing. I'm going to show you guys in a couple seconds. Aside from that, yeah, everything looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my tools and then I'll hit you guys with some cinematic shots. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, man. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments section below. I am beyond happy with how this came out. I mean, it did take a little bit longer than expected, but I will say it is worth it. So 9 months I had to wait for it because they sold mine on accident, and then I had to reorder it, had to send it to paint, still wait, and now we're here. This is slowly becoming what I wanted it to become, and it's just been a dream come true. Even though I know it's not a real Fd2 type bar, I understand that, but this is the closest thing I'm gonna get to it. So if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me know you guys are enjoying the content, and it will also continue to share the videos throughout the algorithm. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions, you guys can always hit me up in the comment section below, or if you want to DM me on Instagram at Vicwavy, you guys are more welcome to do so. But with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.